You probably already use Opera for its privacy and the free VPN. Vivaldi is also a good browser for privacy, but without a VPN. LibreWolf is also a good browser for privacy and without a VPN. A Tor Onion browser is another good option. But this video will show how I use LibreWolf browser, which I often use with ProtonVPN. See Proton link in comments below. Up in search bar, type download LibreWolf and then press enter. Ignore the sponsored links to avoid downloading any unwanted programs. Scroll down to an official LibreWolf.net site. Windows users should click on this link. I ignored all versions and clicked on the top blue panel for my 64-bit computer. I saved the file to my Downloads folder. I use File Explorer to access the Downloads folder and the setup.exe file. Microsoft sometimes gives us buggy updates, which once corrupted 2 of my programs. See link in comments below. Then they also make it hard to download software from another source, which my antivirus program accepted as safe. Click Next to continue. I decided to tick LibreWolf Win Updater and then pressed Next. Then I clicked on Install. This section sped up. I ticked the box to create desktop shortcut, then pressed Finish. I clicked on Desktop icon to open LibreWolf. I then clicked on Import Bookmarks. Chrome is the default, but I chose Brave as the bookmarks source. I unticked everything except bookmarks, then I pressed Import. Data imported successfully to my bookmarks bar. I pressed on Settings and on Manage More Settings, then I enlarged the folder. Under General, there are many options for you to consider. Press spacebar to pause and play, or J key to go back 10 seconds. Home doesn't have many options for you to consider. The default search engine is DuckDuckGo, which is good. There are many options here depending on how paranoid you are about privacy and security. There are also some LibreWolf options here. Then I closed LibreWolf. Below this online video are links to related topics and to previous PC Tech Tips. If you enjoyed this video, so may your friends. Subscribe to be notified when I upload future videos to PC Tech Tips.